The climate along the Gulf Coast is a very important part of all the weather around not just the Gulf Coast but into the nation, the rest of the nation also. It's very humid right along the Gulf Coast. A lot of times you get sea breezes that'll come in. You might even get some storms initiated by them, but you tend to have higher dew point temperatures. You tend to have warmer temperatures in general. Some of those just due to the latitude, but a lot of it is actually just the heat of the Gulf of Mexico. Sometimes you can have water temperatures around 80 to 90 plus degrees in the Gulf of Mexico. To think about a body of water being over 90 degrees as a naturally occurring body of water that's not a hot spring or something like that, it's really impressive. And if you get a hurricane moving in over 80 to 90 degree water, you're talking the potential for really explosive hurricane development. In order for hurricanes to intensify, they move over that warm, almost bathtub-style water. And a couple good examples of that. We didn't have a very strong hurricane season, tropical season last year, but think back to 2005. You had Katrina and you had Rita, back-to-back giant hurricanes. And if you look at some of the ocean water temperatures compared to the Gulf water temperatures, the Gulf had temperatures near the coast, near the Gulf Coast, of close to 90 to 95 degrees. That's extremely warm, and that's why we saw a lot of rapid intensification even into the northern sections of the Gulf of Mexico. While we might still see severe weather without the Gulf of Mexico, if you picture the nation, you've got the Rocky Mountains slicing through the nation from north to south. And then on the southeast of the Rockies, you've got the Gulf of Mexico. So a low pressure center comes in. It'll draw dry air from over the mountains at the top, but then at the surface, because it's circulating, it'll actually draw in some of the moisture, some of the surface moisture from the Gulf. And that is the perfect recipe for severe storms. You've got unsettled dry air up in the atmosphere a mile or so up, and then you've got just abundant, robust moisture. And that's something very unique to the United States, and that's why we have Tornado Alley. That's why we have more tornadoes than any other country around the world.